The base of the pendant is composed of two elements, and I made two photocopies of my template. I will proceed by cutting the biggest element of my base, and for this purpose I will fold my template in half on the middle line of the axis. I'm checking how accurate I folded it. And first what I will do, I will cut out this small element with my scalpel, and I'm using for this purpose a self-healing surface. Now I am ready to cut with my small scissors, and I will cut out this element first. And I will cut out the circle. And I will finish by cutting out the edges of my piece, of my future piece. And I will try and make it as accurate as possible, because otherwise I will have to refine it by sanding in the metal clay form. So here I have one element of my piece almost ready, and I will probably refine a little the circle, making it more smooth. So one element of my base is ready. Now I will cut out the second element of my base, which is the disc I will be setting the stone on after firing. And I will do the same. I will fold the template in half. And I will cut the disc from the outside. So here I am done. I have my template, and after cutting them in metal clay, I will stick my disc on the top of my main base element.